We have lovely secure your investments. Now, you may ask, what the fuck's my next line? I would like to know that too. Well, we get satisfied customers all over this national country. What would this country be without this great land of ours? I almost had it. Made out of genuine Smurfs. All right, 3. Oh shit, what am I lying? Yeah. Just keep looking. I'm just gonna be slowly walking on. Okay, that should be it. That's all.